Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Jenny AI account online on your PC. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Jenny AI account online on your PC, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in Jenny.ai like this and on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Jenny AI like this, or you can simply search for Jenny AI login like this on the search bar, and you will be able to see the app.jenny.ai website. And let's click over there, which is the direct login site of the Jenny AI. But whereas on the first tab, we're still on the home page of the Jenny AI. So in order to log into your Jenny AI account from over here, on the top right corner of this page you can see the login button just beside the start writing for free button. Click on that login button, and you can see both of these pages are same. One was from the Google result and one is from the direct web address. With that being said, if you want to continue to your Jenny AI account with your Google account, simply click on login with Google like this, and a new tab will open where you can enter the credentials of your Google account like this. And if you log into your Google account from over here, you'll be signed into your Jenny AI account with your Google account. But we'll not be doing that. We'll be entering our email address manually like this and enter our password. But if you've forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password button available over here in order to retrieve or reset your password. After that, if you have not yet created an account on Jenny AI account, you can still continue to your Jenny AI account from over here. There is the sign up button available over here where I'm hovering right now. If you click on there, the sign up here button, you will be able to create an account on Jenny AI account. With that being said, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Jenny AI account immediately. With that being said, guys, this is how you log into your Jenny AI account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.